Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. From today's exercise we start a new series on Weldment Feature. Today's exercise we will know how we can design this kind of stool or tube structure in Weldment. So I'll stop this animation here. I'll cut it. I already saved. I don't want to save. For Weldment Feature we have to go with this new, select the part and OK. I select screen background in plain white and unit measurement in millimeter. Let's see our drawing. So this is our stool drawing. There is a cut list also. You can see item number 1, quantity 4, square tube, length 200. This is item number 1. This one, the top square tube, just bottom of the wooden. Item number 2, quantity 4, length 400. This vertical tube. After item number 3, 150 mm length. This one, 4 quantity, and wood piece also 1. So let's draw this. You can create a 2D sketch for the frame by selecting a plane, or you can directly create it with the help of 3D sketch. So I select 3D sketch, select the line. Always start your sketch with the origin point. I select with origin point and change the direction with the tab key. I give relation to these lines equal. Assign dimension. This is 200. Okay. Select line again. Change the angle direction. Give relation to these lines equal. Now assign length for dimension 400. Select line again. Change the direction. These 4 lines also equal. Now assign distance dimension. This is 100 mm. Our sketch is fully defined. So you see in preview here, this is 3D sketch is complete. Now for the weldment, we have to click here weldment, and to give material of this sketch, come to this tab structural member. Here we have to select in standard option ISO, type which kind of material you need to give your sketch for material. I select square tube. Now select the size. I select 20 by 20. I select group to select this sketch. Now there is an option locate profile. The locate profile option allows to set the material for our frame to any position according to the sketch. So let's see here. I click on locate profile. It gives you point to set your tube on sketch as per these dot points. So I'll select this point. See, our tube come on the top of the sketch. Select new group. I select this line. Again I select rocket profile here. Exit. Now this is option for trim this, to cut this tube as a trim in multiple ways. You can modify it, cut it. So I select this meter trim and meter trim. I select this tube and this loop. It will be cut in 45 angle. Again come in a structural member. See, you can give position to your tube where you want to keep exactly on the sketch. Now come to the trim option. See, it will cut parallel to this tube. Now I hide this sketch. Select this face, sketch mode, and I'll draw a corner rectangle for the wood. Give relation to these lines equal, and this is 250. From the origin this distance is 25. This distance is 25. Okay. Exit. Come to the feature, extrude boss base. The thickness I'll give this 16 mm. Okay. Apply some flat for the corner, 20 radius, and select these 4 corners. Now apply some appearance for the color. I apply appearance for material. I select wood here, organic, wood, teak, body. So you will see in this video how we can make this stool with a simple way in Solidworks Weldment Feature. Hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CAD with KAMAL for more CAD modeling videos. Let me know in the comment what you want to learn next. We will learn about all the tool of Weldment Feature step by step in every upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.